Hi, my name is Margaret Dick, and today I'm going to talk to you about COVID-19 and the wonder drug, ivermectin. So, we've been in this pandemic for almost a year now. Just in that time, we have seen over 500,000 deaths in the United States. Now, we could go on and talk about and rant about all the reasons why that may have happened, and the failings of different governing bodies, but today I'm just going to talk about a solution. So, in 1975, a group of researchers were studying microorganisms in Japanese soil. They were looking for possible antiparasitics, and they discovered a compound called Avermectin. And subsequent international research led scientists to discover a very effective antiparasitic derivative called ivermectin. This drug was revolutionary, truly. It was introduced as a veterinary drug in 1981, and it eliminated both internal and external parasites. The drug was so effective that it maintained annual sales of over $1 billion for more than 20 years. However, its effect on disease in humans is what earned it the, wonder drug status. In fact, its versatility was so impressive that scientists responsible for its discovery, William C. Campbell and Satoshi Ōmura, won the 2015 Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine. Millions of people take ivermectin every year to prevent and treat parasitic infections in areas where they used to run rampant and completely wipe out populations of people. And while it has only been FDA approved as a parasitic, as an antiparasitic, it has also shown strong antiviral activity against a wide range of viruses, including influenza, HIV-1, West Nile virus, equine encephalitis virus, dengue virus, and most recently, SARS-CoV-2, the virus that, causes COVID-19. Best of all, for the average adult-sized human, one dose, as recommended by a group of physicians that I will mention in a moment, costs between $15 and $21 in the US without insurance. That is a far cry from the drugs currently recommended by the US government, which have shown to be completely ineffective, particularly remdesivir, which can cost up to $3,000 per dose, and it has no effect on how long your hospital stay will be, how severe your symptoms are, whether or not you will die, basically all the important things. It does nothing to help you. And so this is really something worth looking into. And in fact, I did. So did a lot of people. This drug's availability, affordability, and antiviral properties prompted medical scientists all over the world to research its effect on SARS-CoV-2 infections. And in a comprehensive review of this research, an organization called the Frontline COVID-19 Critical Care Alliance, or the FLCCC, describes ivermectin's antiviral and anti-inflammatory effects on both SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19. So what that means is not only does it rid your body of the virus, but it gets rid of the disease too that is caused by the virus, the inflammation, the full body inflammation that is caused by this virus. So it is truly breathtaking, this data that they've collected. This group is composed of many highly published critical care experts who specialize in therapies for severe infections. They are some of the most highly acclaimed doctors in the country, and they have been doing very diligent research and work since the beginning of the pandemic, and they have worked tirelessly to find successful and safe and affordable therapies for this awful disease. And the drug that they have most vehemently praised and recommended has been ivermectin for its remarkable properties and for its notable safety as well. The side effects of this drug are mild. They are fever, low fever, nausea, sometimes a headache. Really what you could find on like an average Benadryl bottle, and things of the sort. Like it's really remarkably safe. And the randomized controlled trials and observational trials of this drug have shown it to be extremely effective. And it really cannot be overstated how important it is for the NIH and the FDA to review this research, because up till now, despite this research being available since mid to late last year, they have been pretty much silent about this research and continue to recommend ineffective drugs. In conclusion, we have watched this past year fall apart because of this devastating disease and virus. It has left a lot of people feeling completely hopeless, and it has completely ravaged our medical community and just trust in the government and trust in healthcare in the U.S. And so the need for a safe and effective and affordable and highly available drug is immense. And the NIH must review this research. Thank you for listening.